Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Progress Bar widget to your WooCommerce website. A Progress Bar widget is a useful way to display goals, completion status, milestones, or performance metrics in a clean and visual format on your website. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard, then click on Websites. After that, click on Add New Website and enter your WooCommerce website link. Once you've added the link, click on Add Website. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. In the Plugins section, search for the Popper plugin, then install and activate it. After activation, click on Popper from the left sidebar. Then check your email and click on Save Account Email. Now go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets, and after that, click Create New Widget. Now search for Progress Bar in the widget library and open it. After that, choose a layout according to your preference. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Content tab, you can edit the main title and also enable or disable it. You can then click Add Metric Bar to add progress bars. For each progress bar, you can edit the title, choose whether to show values in percentage or fixed values, and customize the values. You can also change the color of each bar. Next, go to the Template tab. Here, you can choose from different templates, and depending on the selected template, the settings below it may change. Then open the Settings tab. In Visibility and Labels, you can enable or disable bar titles, values, and milestones. You can also decide the milestone position, such as above or below. In Animation and Behavior, you can enable or disable Animate on Load, change the duration, and select the easing function. Next, go to the Style tab. Here, you can choose a quick theme and update the typography. In the Colors section, you can change the background color, text color, accent color, track color, and border color. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your WooCommerce site. Now add a custom HTML block, paste the code inside it, and save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.